The fourth core idea about common ground is that it plays out differently in contexts of narrow versus wide interdisciplinarity. Recall that narrow interdisciplinarity involves two or more disciplines that are closely related in terms of their epistemology, such as biology and chemistry, or psychology and sociology. Wide interdisciplinarity involves disciplines that are seemingly unrelated or further apart in an epistemological sense, like art and math, or history and engineering. So how does common ground play out differently in these two contexts? First, conflicting epistemological presuppositions. Those of the natural sciences promote a focus on facts, on what something is and how it works, but do not allow us to assign them a value in terms of morality or ethics. Those of the humanities, on the other hand, promote a consideration of the morality of reality. Second, generally speaking, the greater the epistemological distance between two disciplines, the more challenging it will be to find common ground between their insights. So it's usually easier to work with narrow interdisciplinarity, to identify commonalities among insights produced by two highly related disciplines, as opposed to wide interdisciplinarity, where the epistemologies of the disciplines differ greatly.